Hi guys, I'm back with the Xiaomi Mi 5 powered by the Snapdragon 820 and Android 6.0. A very beautiful flagship from China, so let's start the unboxing and first hands-on. So first I will do a quick unboxing. Most will be self-explaining, so during this I will just be quiet. And I will also change the video speed so it is done faster. If you still should have any questions to this, feel free to ask below in the comments. Let's now have a close-up of the design and all the details. We have the Mi logo, or some call it MI logo, to the left, a 4 megapixel front-facing camera. It has a 5.15 inch Full HD display with slim bezels, a very premium metal frame, one microphone and one speaker, and USB Typ C in the center. The home button is also a fingerprint scanner. The sides are curved and it looks really nice. In the top we find an IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and I think a noise cancelling microphone. On the back, which is made of glass, we find a 16 megapixel camera with OIS and dual LED flash. The phone has a perfect size in the hand and thanks to the curved back, very comfortable. Let's try to compare the design with an old friend, the Xiaomi Mi 4. And here you clearly see the improvements that Xiaomi have made to the design of the Mi 5. And the Mi 5 also feels lighter in the hand compared with the Mi 4. Now let's have a look at the phone in action. The display and colors are very good. The camera is fast and makes some nice pictures. The lock screen also offers daily new wallpapers, so that's also a nice feature. The UI is very smooth to operate, and there's backlight in the menu and back keys. My version came out of the box with the stock original Xiaomi ROM from China, including apps like the Mi Remote and other typical Chinese apps. That also means that there is no Play Store on it, but you can just install this yourself with the Google installer on the net. Now let us check out the settings and about phone. And we here see the build number and that it is Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Next up, let me test the fingerprint scanner. I have already learned my finger, so you can just press down directly on the home button and it will then wake and unlock in one go. And it is extremely fast and accurate, as you can see here. It seems to be in the same level or even a little bit better as on the iPhone 6s or Samsung Galaxy S7. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this fingerprint scanner. And here in the end I will just show you the AnTuTu benchmark app, and you can see the score here. Very nice. It is an extremely fast phone, as you can see, so it will be perfect for multitasking and heavy 3D games, but more to that in the full review that will follow later. So that's it for the first look and hands-on video. I will bring more about this phone later, so just stay tuned on my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one.